Hey you, yes, you. Has anyone told you you're a real beauty? Anyway, I'm Crypto Giga Chad. Welcome to Crypto Giga Chad's YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're here for the first time or if you want to see up-to-date, brand new cryptocurrency videos. What we're here to talk about today is the top 3 platforms you guys can use to make money in cryptocurrency in 2021 and beyond. Without further ado, let's jump into number 3. CoinSpotter! We've got all of the cryptocurrencies here. Obviously, there's the same login as you have on the desktop, just your email and password there. You can have a two-factor security, which is just adding your phone in there for an extra layer of security, which I recommend to do on any application. So again, 5 icons down the bottom, relatively simple for the Chads out there and simple people who don't really understand technology well and don't really like applications. Yeah, it's easy to pick up. You've got your coins, which I've mentioned before. A really cool feature is gainers, where you can see all the coins that have performed extremely well in the last 24 hours. Don't be tempted to harambe into these coins. You wait and you do your research on each of them. That is my best advice there. And then losers are for those coins that are terrible and don't perform well, or, you know, in the last 24 hours have lost a whole bunch of money, which happens to every coin. When you get corrections, it's part of the market. Obviously, the buy and sell function and swap is on here as well, which you can do at any point in time. Swap, as I said before, is really, really good. You can swap from one coin to another. You can set buy orders there as well. Dashboard, really simple, easy way to see all of your coins, how they performed for 1 month there, 3 months, 6 months, year to date. I don't have any coins in here, so it's not going to show anything up. And then obviously wallets and account as well there. Coinbase, not as blue this time, which is a bonus for everyone out there that was tired of that blue. It's fine, I like blue, it's a good color. This is your landing page, very simple, easy to use here. There's nothing too much to explain outside of the normal web-based version. This is the version you'll be using on your mobile phones, so this is the one you need to familiarize yourself with. The second button there on the right, portfolio, it'll see, this is basically your wallet. Where everything is, it'll tell you what's going up, what's going down, very simple, and then not too much else to explain there. Obviously, these are all the cryptocurrencies and things there, and your total balance up there in the top left-hand corner in dollars. The middle one, this is what you'll be using to buy crypto, which you can do, again, in a similar format as the web version. Convert, send, receive. That's easy. It's got a little bit of advice, dollar cost averaging right there. I'm going to do a video on that. That is just a percentage of your wage that you put in every single time you get paid. A great way to get into crypto slowly with a lower amount of risk. Prices here, final screen to get through. All assets, tradable, gainers, losers. All assets are all coins there. Tradable, gainers is a good one. Similar to CoinSpot, where you can see what's been performing extremely well there. There's Chili's there, which is a great coin I'll get into on the NFT space. And then obviously losers in a similar vein to what we saw before. Here's the Binance app. You might be looking at this wondering, what in the devil is this? This looks very, very complicated. Yeah, you're right. This is a pro version. You're not really going to want to use this. You know, you can do all your trading, your propeller head stuff here, grid trading, liquidity swapping, all that kind of stuff that you're probably not ready for yet until you learn a little bit more about the way that all operates. So what I'm going to get you to do is click on this person who's moving their head in either direction, wondering what's going on the top left-hand side, and switch to the light version. This is the version you're going to use. This is a consumable version, and it is easy. So you can see all the major coins here, all the way down. We're not going to go through this all again, but you get the picture. And then you've got in the middle arrows going in opposite directions: buy, sell, deposit. Depositing is just depositing money into the account, which you can do on the desktop version or the app version. And convert. Love a bit of conversion for those rugby fans out there. Bitcoin to Ether right here, but you can switch from one coin to another. Very easy to use. I love this feature. If you wanted to flip from Bitcoin to Ethereum, or from one coin to another, very easy to do. You can preview the conversion to see what you would get at that particular moment in time. And then on the right hand side, you've got your little wallet where you're going to see where all of the crypto is, or the big wallet if you're a lucky person, and maybe you will be as you go down the track. That's the app. This is our winner. Let's get on to the major cryptocurrencies I think you need to invest in right now. Right, so those are my top 3 trading platforms that you can use to invest in cryptocurrency. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. And as promised, here's a quick reward for the top 5 cryptocurrencies I think you need to invest in right now once you've decided to make the plunge. Now, with number 5, these are in no particular order, is Bitcoin. For obvious reasons, it is the father of all cryptocurrencies and one that you've got to have in your portfolio. Number 2, Ethereum. Great product. It's a development platform for a number of products that are on it already, including most DeFis and NFTs are deployed on Ethereum. Great product. I think you've got to hold some Ethereum in your portfolio. Number 3 is Chainlink. Chainlink, again, another fantastic product that's been around for quite a while, cryptocurrency that's been around for quite a while. Again, great investment, no real competitors. They released a white paper recently, which is fantastic, and I will go over all these in detail in the next video, as well as 5 others. Number 4 is Cardano, one of my personal favorites. Fantastic project, great creator. They're doing really good things for the world, and again, another competitor to Ethereum, so you're hedging your bets against Ethereum there, and in my personal opinion, I think at some point it's going to overtake Ethereum. And number 5 is VeChain. VeChain is really good for supply chain management and the logistics industry, as well as Salesforce have deployed their solution using VeChain's technology as well. One to watch, great partnerships. So those would be my top 5 to get into straight off the bat. There are some other brilliant projects which I'm going to get into in the next video. Again, thanks for sticking around. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the content, guys. I'm going to be here for a while, and I'm definitely going to help you make money in 2021 and beyond. Crypto Chat out.